Hey everyone, and welcome. As you probably know, official support for Windows 10 ended on October 14, 2025. What does that mean? No more security updates. No more protection from new viruses, malware, or ransomware. It's a serious risk. Microsoft offers a solution called ESU, or Extended Security Updates, but it's a paid program designed for businesses. But what if I told you there's an official way to enroll in the ESU program, for free? Today, I'm showing you exactly how to do it. But be careful, you must meet 3 specific conditions first. Before we click anything, you must check these 3 things. If you miss one, this will not work, and the free option won't even show up. You must be on Windows 10, version 22H2. To check this, go to your search bar, type Win, Ver, and hit Enter. From the window that will appear, you will find the version number of your Windows operating system. Or click the Start menu, then click Settings. From the window that appears, click System. From the sidebar, scroll down and click About. In the Windows Specifications section, you must see version 22H2 right here. If you see 21H2 or anything else, go to Windows Update and update your PC first. This is the most common mistake. Go to Settings, Update and Security, and click Check for Updates. Install everything it finds, including optional updates. You must be completely up to date for the ESU option to appear. This free offer is for individual users, not businesses. The system verifies this using your Microsoft account. If you're using a local account, this won't work. Go to Settings, Accounts, Your Info. And make sure you are signed in with your Microsoft, Outlook or Hotmail account. If you're using a local account, click the Email and Accounts tab, then click the Add a Microsoft Account link. Follow the steps to add your email address. Okay, you've checked all 3 requirements. Perfect. Now for the easy part. Go to Settings. Click on Update and Security. On this main Windows Update page, you should see a new section. It might say Extended Security Updates or Get Updates after 2025. Click on the link to enroll. It might be Learn More or Enroll Now. This will launch a wizard. Windows will now check your system. It's verifying your version, 22H2, your account, Microsoft account, and your update status. From the welcome screen, click the Next button. You will then be asked to enter your account PIN. The system now checks the 3 requirements we mentioned. If everything is okay, a window will appear, informing you that you're eligible to enroll to extended security updates. And the most important news is that the enroll process is without extra cost. Confirm your registration by clicking the Enroll button. That's it. You're now registered to receive extended security updates for a full year. Free security updates to keep your computer safe. Now if you click on the Check for Updates button, it will say that your device is up to date. You can also activate the option, Get the latest updates as soon as they are available. Now, I want to answer the top questions people ask about this, because it can be confusing. Question: How to activate Windows ESU? Answer: The process we just did is the activation. By following the wizard and confirming the $0 enrollment, your system's license is automatically updated. You don't need a separate key. Question: how much does ESU cost for Windows 10? Answer: for businesses and users who don't meet the requirements, it can cost $30 for the first year and double after that. But as we showed, for home users on 22H2 with an MSA, it is free. Question: how to check if an ESU license is active? Answer: great question. After you've enrolled, you can go back to Settings, Update and Security. You should now see a new status message confirming your enrollment, something like, you are enrolled for extended security updates. Question: what about Windows 10 ESU not showing up? Answer: if you go to Update and Security and you don't see the option to enroll, it is 99% certain you missed one of the 3 requirements I mentioned. Go back and check. Are you really on 22H2? Are you really signed into a Microsoft account? Did you really install all pending updates? Check those, restart your PC, and the option should appear. And that's it. A simple, official, and free way to keep your Windows 10 PC secure after the 2025 deadline. You don't need to upgrade to Windows 11 just yet if you're not ready. If this video helped you and saved you some money, do me a huge favor. Click the like button, so that the video reaches a larger audience, who needs this solution. Subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to hit the bell button, so that you receive more similar tips like this. Let me know in the comments, if it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.